Kenyans, we are thieves by nature. We are naturally thieves. We are naturally corrupt. That's why, have you seen this? It is the latest update, I think, some 1 or 2 hours ago. Wale wametajwa katika uhalifu. Sawa, Wakenya wamejaa katika hiyo orodha, na si hapa Kenya. Just to imagine, we have become international thieves, we have become international bandits, we have become international corrupt. Hii ni orodha Marekani. Wakenya ndio wengi kwa hiyo listi ya wale wahalifu. Sawa. And now it is officially, or it was officially on the 25th legalized and granted by this foolish lady. She is an educated foolish lady by the name Mother Kome. You know you can be educated but foolish at the same time. She granted and validated theft, corruption, and all mannerism of bandits in Kenya. So we are internationally now recognized. In America, we have become a threat to their security. That's Kenyans for you. And we had a chance to control or to make this thing something for the past. But we legalized it through electing a thief, electing a bandit, electing the most corruption person or the most corrupt person on planet Earth. That is somebody by the name Luto. Your president is not my president. I beg. He can never be my president. I will never recognize that. It is only for God to intervene. Kenyans, and we are bragging of Christianity. Our best, most corrupt people bragging to be chosen by God. Is that kind of God we brag to have, or is the God of the mannerism of Sodom and Gomorrah? May God strike thunder into Kenyans and destroy this country as intended to Sodom and Gomorrah, because we are perishing due to lack of knowledge and wisdom. God punish us as Kenyans because we lack wisdom. We had a chance to elect Baba, we rejected it.